Vivo has unveiled its new X60 Pro to the Chinese market. The precise photos of X60 and X60 Pro smartphones have been leaked online. It may be seen in the photos that each smartphone X60 and Vivo X60 Pro might be given a punch hole cutout for the selfie digicam, which might be positioned in the course of the display. Whereas the X60 smartphone has a flat panel, its Pro variant can knock with a curved show. At a similar time, the signal of FunTouch OS 11.1 will be seen on the display of Vivo's X60 Pro cell phone in a distinct photograph. The leaks have already confirmed that the upcoming new smartphone has a 3.2 GHz octa-core processor under the hood of this device. Vivo X60 Pro is going to be powered by Snapdragon 875G, 7nm chipset. It is considered one of the powerful chipsets that are used for flagship smartphones, and their performance is very satisfactory. The X60 Pro by Vivo will be equipped with Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen. The display screen of the device measures 6.56 inches that will ensure Full HD plus a resolution of 1080 by 2376 pixels. The Vivo Pro has got 12 GB of RAM capacity that is usually used in the high-end smartphones of most companies. But the manufacturer of the company introduces it in the Vivo X60 Pro to capture the attention of the users. The internal storage capacity of the device will be 256 GB. This is a huge amount of storage capacity that will provide the user of this device to store a huge amount of data for future use. On the back of the Vivo X60 Pro, there is a quad camera setup. The main sensor of the phone will be 48 megapixels, and the secondary sensor is going to be 13 megapixels, the third one is going to be 13 megapixels, and the fourth one will 8 megapixels. And the front-facing selfie camera will be 32 megapixels. X60 Pros is expected to be equipped with an in-display fingerprint reader that provides security to the data that you want to protect. The battery of the smartphone is 4,200 mAh with a 33W fast charging. This device